Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer stocks when your account is margin enabled, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before transferring stocks from a margin enabled account, ensure you understand your broker's policies. Check if your receiving brokerage accepts transfers from margin accounts. Contact your current broker to initiate the transfer process. You may need to fill out a transfer request form, which can usually be found on their website. Provide your account information for both your current and receiving brokers. If you hold margin loans, inquire about any restrictions related to these loans during the transfer. You may be required to pay off your margin balance before proceeding. Confirm which stocks or assets you wish to transfer. Review the current market value of your stocks to understand potential gains or losses. Double-check all information on the transfer request form for accuracy. Submit the transfer request and monitor its status through your broker's platform. Wait for confirmation that your transfer has been initiated. Expect it to take several days for the transfer to complete. Once the transfer is finalized, verify all stocks are correctly reflected in your new account. Review any changes in margin requirements or account features with your new broker. Reach out to your new broker for assistance if you encounter any issues. Understand that transferring stocks can impact your margin status and account features. Stay informed about any potential fees related to the transfer process imposed by either broker. Review any future trading strategies based on your new margin-enabled account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.